Wait, you're doing UberEats?
Yep.
And you gotta wait here?
Yep.
Okay, first of all, that's bullshit. Second
No.
of all, we can't even go in to order, so we gotta wait here and pretend we're in the car right now. Yeah, like
It's so fucking
day.
dumb, yeah.
Fuck, we got only 2, we got 4, man.
Right, you gotta back us up on this.
You have to. You gotta back us up on this.
You guys are 4 wheels. You can sit in it.
I'm really serious if we get to the thing.
Oh, no. I mean, if it puts the dirt in alright.
Thank you so much. We get in your car and you take us through.
Wait,
Oh no, I'm ordering on the app.
I don't know if we should take
No, then use the app. It actually, it's sick. The app is sick.
Use the app.
No, it's like $5 just to use the app. Fuck that. Uber pickup.
So you have to wait in this whole line? That's
Yep.
fucking
That's
bullshit, man.
bullshit.
You can't just go in and grab your shit?
Man,
I know. It's
That is-
closed, right?
That's kind
Bang.
of fucked. That's kind of fucked. Look at this, bro.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 15 minutes. It's already ready probably, dog.
Yeah.
No,
That's
it's probably
crazy.
ready.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
They should be like, okay, unlock the door, show me the number.
And then we slide in.
Yeah.
Bro, tell me why Subway got a better system than McDonald's right now.
Honestly, I haven't had something like
Yeah, I mean, okay, but like, we ain't in Vancouver, but like,
No, we're not in Vancouver.
other McDonald's in Toronto wouldn't pull this shit.
You're just this fucking. Okay, last time we were
These
here.
guys are number 1 bullshit.
Number one
bullshit.
fraud comeback.
Number 1 bullshit.
Yo, tell me why all the
Three, 4, 5, 6.
Because they fucking.
Bro, it's like, what the fuck?
I know it is.
It's like,
Kensington's still thriving.
yeah, they got like 8 tents there, and you're like, okay, like 5, but like, bro, there was like 20 at like.
Alright, take the photo, Yo, dude, it's not gonna happen, dude.
20 of us.
They're cash on the.
Have cash.
Wait, yo, could you?
Cash only.
Dumb. Okay. Good luck, my friend.
Just to let you know, we're only accepting cash.
Yeah, I'm here for a DoorDash pickup.
DoorDash? Can you
Yes.
come to the second window then? No worries.
Okay.
Breaking a lot of rules right now.
Hey, here. Hey. Hello.
DoorDash pickup?
Yeah, I have it. Come.
Uh,
Hello. Over here.
thank you so much. All right. Finally got it.